Information that the storm has strengthened again. The winds are now 130 miles per hour. That changed on the screen behind me right as you were introducing this segment. 130 miles per hour now are the winds with this hurricane, and making it a Category 4 now. Category 4 on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane scale. This is a very extremely dangerous hurricane, and folks in the path of this are in for quite a storm. This means business. 27-7, 96-7 the coordinates. Moving to the northwest now. It's slowed just a little bit now at 8 miles per hour, and really we need to get this thing inland before it strengthens any more than that. Forecast path takes it in later this evening, and the eye wall is very close to the coast now, but it does take it in later this evening, and by 1 a.m. it's beginning the weakening process over land not far from Rockport. Then it goes in from there, and by 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon we may still have a Category 1 hurricane near Victoria. This is 12 to 18 hours after landfall. We could see a Category 1 hurricane still. Sunday at 1 o'clock in the morning, notice it just stalls. And when it stalls, that's when the problems really begin. Sunday at 1 o'clock, it's in the same place. Monday, it moves back to the southeast, maybe back toward the coast, still as a tropical storm. This is going to drop torrential rainfall for up to 3 or 4 days over south central Texas, especially the coastal bend, the crossroads area around Victoria, around Corpus Christi. Eventually the system moves northeastward toward Houston, but even that, not a certainty. Look how big that circle is. It could be anywhere in that circle when we get out to the middle part of next week. This is going to be a devastating situation for folks in that area. Here's your radar of it now, and just in the last 30 minutes, it seems that it has slowed down a little bit, and that's why we're now showing forward movement of 8 miles per hour rather than 10. And look how close it's getting to the coast. Folks in Corpus Christi, folks in Rockport, I'll stop it at the last frame. We'll give you a distance so you know how far it is. Basically, when the eye wall clears land right there, that's when we have landfall. That's about 16 miles. So now that it's slowed down to 8 miles an hour, you're looking at the next couple of hours, that eye wall. But in the meantime, when that red area goes over land, that's the worst part of the hurricane. And boy, it's going to be rough for those folks that are right there. It's going to be a tough, tough night, and it's going to be a tough next few days. This is a serious situation for folks in the coastal bend. So let's find out what's going on up there. Back to you.